it. Apart from that, we also have new paper bag sizes being launched by the end of this month. So you will be getting far more options, and it will be affordable to you in terms of cost. Uh, Ravi Surna is asking, I am from Rajasthan. So, what about us regarding green packaging? That's a very good question, sir. So, for all your shipments that will go into Maharashtra, you will have to use green packaging. Flipkart branded pouch allowed in Maharashtra. Gaurav Khatri, if Flipkart branded pouch is made up of sustainable packaging material like carton boxes or paper bags, then it is allowed in Maharashtra. How do we pack liquids in 5 liter cans for Maharashtra? So Pankaj, you can use higher size carton boxes. So depending on your product requirement and product size, I request you to go ahead and check the carton boxes which are available on our portal. Ria, can we please show them the list of carton boxes that we have on our portal?
Sure. So just for your information, I would like to show you the path as well, how you can go and find packaging material, because I could see few questions upcoming this. So go to your active orders tab. Here you see get Flipkart packaging material under pending labels. Click on this. You'll be directed to your page on Seller Learning Center where you can purchase your packaging material. The carton box sizes that you want to check, click on green packaging material carton boxes and scroll down. You can see all the box types. So check which dimension and quantity you want to purchase. Accordingly, you can choose and check out the price. Suppose, so this is the price for packaging material of 100 pieces. So this is how you can check out the details for carton boxes or any other type of packaging material like paper bags also, what Sejal has mentioned. So here are the various sizes, and you can check out the quantity and price. This is how the paper bag is going to. I hope that answers your question. Can we
Uh,
take it ahead, Sejal?
yeah. So Ria, can you take up this question? Anonymous attendee, how to package? I think they have some question regarding how they should pack their product.
Anonymous attendee, your question is how to pack the product. It depends upon what product you are selling. Accordingly, you have to choose the right kind of packaging material so that during transit your product is not being damaged.
Moving ahead, I'll take the next question. Can we use plastic bags for packaging in Delhi and other states, not including Maharashtra? Anonymous attendee, yes, as of now, you can use plastic bags for packaging shipments which are going in other states except Maharashtra. But soon we will be implementing this green packaging norm for entire India. After that, you will not be able to use it. For now, you can go ahead and ship it in plastic bags. uh, Dinesh Kanan sir, sending to Maharashtra, does Flipkart has any nominee for green packing? Also, please share the idea. I'm so sorry, sir. This question is not clear to me. If you could please type it once again and share it with us. Is the QC team Guru Vignesh, sir, this is a webinar about packaging, and we will be answering only those questions related to packaging. For this, we request you to raise a ticket on seller support and understand what has actually happened. Ria, is there anything else to add regarding this question?
No. So, Mr. Guru, request you to please raise this concern with seller support team.